Swift, the CEO. I say it so precisely you can follow me on Twitter. I'm part of What Up Performance Collective at MTSU. And I'm here, my sister goes here now. So I'm here. As far as this piece, it's going to be the first one I've ever done, ever performed in front of people. It's the first one people actually like. It's also the first one that ever made me sick and tired of it. It's called This Is Our World. This is our world, segregated by the nations. Only time we get together is Olympic confrontation. We're chasing these dreams of unity, peace in the Middle East. Arms have dropped and wars have ceased. But they haven't. We're still fighting, but not for oil. Step back to realize how they want to refine our lives, keep track of where we're at all the time, and keep track of every nickel and dime we have. You see, abortion's on the rise, and they like it. There's something about genocide that gets the pipes rising, disconnected like a hyphen. Brainwash the masses to do things they don't like and initiate acts to retract the Constitution's basic laws all fast. We don't have no time to react, we fall back. Staying in the background, let us believe terrorists got down the towers to that ground. We back down though when a challenge authority, because it was taught in school for so many years to me. They said they're here to support us, supposedly. The second I expose them, a man will take a hold of me. Can't question the government because that's tyranny. Create scenarios to input fear in me. We stay distracted with lies, fights, and game pride. Racism alive at all-time highs. Somewhere in Sudan is on a genocide. People still starving every time they close eyes. But you will be surprised. Some are still searching for the truth. Christians, atheists, Jews, Muslims, and Hindus. But for most stupid people, we'd rather snoop around a celebrity lives and be cool. What should we do? I know this is why some stupid music video on MTV too. What should we do? When millions of people in the world truly believe that they're God, troops fighting giant jihads, we don't care if we leave them to rot. Look, who could believe we evolved from monkeys while we still got monkeys here existing? Something in life we are truly missing. Trying to say something but nobody's listening. All right. Satan is creeping and Jesus is weeping. So many lost that we don't do a thing. Watch people die and cry and bleed in stupid situations based on greed. We want freedom, but we want to breathe. But we want protection, so keep me safe, please. What do we need? Who do we trust in? God and television. This is our world. Thank you.